Hey guys, 2010 Mercedes C300. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the transmission oil. Okay, first thing, we're gonna remove the bottom cover. I'm gonna take out all this, so let me do that. Okay, then we're gonna use the 6mm Allen socket to remove this bolt here, so we can drain the oil. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, we're gonna remove 6 bolts. We're gonna remove the oil pan, so we could take all the oil out. So we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Okay, so let me remove that. Okay, already cleaned the oil pan and put the new filter in place. So now we're gonna put the gasket. Okay, I already put the filter, the gasket. So let me put the oil pan in place. Okay, I already put the oil pan. Then we're gonna take out this bolt where we drain it. We're gonna put the manual oil pump in there, and we're gonna get a gallon. We're gonna put the transmission oil in there. Okay, so with the manual pump, we're gonna put it in there. Okay, we're gonna put like 3 quarts, and then we're gonna have to start the engine. So let me do that. Okay, we're gonna start the engine now. Okay, already start the engine. So this is gonna be the level here. We need to see the oil draining from here. As you can see, it needs more. It's supposed to be draining. Okay, now we want to check the level. It's supposed to be draining. Okay, you can see. Yeah. That's a good level there, okay? Yeah, like that, okay? That's a good level there. Okay, now we're gonna put the bottom cover. Okay, I put everything back together. That's how to replace the transmission oil. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.